Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, let's move to some questions here. Let's take an example first. Okay. So, this question is about the practical use of this knowledge, right, about circle. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of rupees 24 per meter is rupees 5280, right. What is the rate of fencing 24 rupees per meter, right, and what is the cost, total cost? It is rupees 5280, right. So, what will be the circumference? Let us say this is the circumference. You will put the fencing around its circumference, right, and at a rate of 24 rupees per meter, okay, and the total cost is 5280. So, how many meters is the circumference? You can obtain the circumference by dividing this cost by the rate of fencing, okay. So, these many meters is the circumference of this circular field, okay. So, how much is this? We can calculate it later also. The field is to be plowed at the rate of 0.50 per meter square, okay. Rate of plowing this field is 0.5 per meter square, right. This is in rupees, rupees 0.5 per meter square. Find the cost of plowing. Now, we need to find the cost, total cost, right. For that, what we need is total area. Total area is required, right. If I get the area, I will multiply it with the rate of plowing, then I will get my answer, which is the cost of plowing this field. Now, I just need the total area, right. Now, to calculate total area, what is the area of circle? It is pi r square. So, I need the radius, right. So, from this I can calculate my radius. What is circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r and it is equal to 5280 by 24. So, the radius will be 5280 by 24 into 2 pi, right. Now, calculate this. This will be 5280 divided by 24 into 2 pi can be taken as 22 by 7. It is not mentioned in the question, so I am taking it 22 by 7, right. Now, you calculate this. Once you calculate this, you will find that it is equal to 35 meter. Radius will be 35 meter. You do this calculation yourself and you will find that it is equal to 35 meter. Now, you got the radius from this calculation. So, the total area, what is total area? It is pi r square, which is 35 square, okay. So, we need to find the cost of plowing this field. So, total cost is equal to total area into the cost per meter square, which is 0.5, okay. Now, take pi as 22 by 7 and then multiply it by 35 into 35, take 0.5 as 1 by 2, right. Now, you do this calculation. So, it is equal to 55 into 35, right. So, what is 55 into 35? You can calculate it yourself. It is 1925 and the unit is rupees, okay. So, this is how you will calculate the cost of plowing this field. Now, what was this question exactly? We were given the circumference, okay. So, from the circumference we could have calculated the radius, right. Even the circumference was not given, rate of fencing was given and the cost of total cost of fencing was given, right. Where do you do the fencing? Around the circumference. Now total cost is given. If you divide it by rate of fencing, you will get the circumference, right? And once you have got the circumference, we can calculate the radius easily. Now you have got the radius, so the area is just the pi radius squared. Now you have got the area, so you can calculate the cost of plowing because you have got the rate per meter square of plowing. Okay, so you just multiply the rate of plowing with total area to get the cost of plowing. Okay.